Hey guys, a big hi to all of you and welcome back to my channel after so long. This is a video of book fair and there is a best thing in this video, so keep watching till the end. First of all, we are moving towards a bookstall, and here so many Bengali novels, literature, poems, comic books are available. This is the busiest stall here. I think you guessed the reason. So many flower tubs are decorated here, so it gives a very elegant look. A tribute to our military general Bipin Rawat sir, and this is a statue of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Now we are entering the vegetable plant section. As you can see here, different types of vegetable plant types are placed. is one of the best things I have ever seen. All animals and birds etc. placed here are original, as you can see the label. I think they preserved these things by adding some chemicals after their death. This fish looks very cute. Actually, I wanted to take it home, but it's not possible. And its name is porcupine fish. These stickers are my childhood memories. I think every child loves these stickers. This store has a collection of clay pottery things, and every item looks so unique and beautiful. In this store, handmade soaps, organic products, and in handmade handbags are available. These earrings and neck pieces, everything is crafted, means they have made it with their own hands. And also these printed shawls, everything handmade. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, link given in description.